디지터입니다. 네.
I'm just going for my class in a bit. I'm going to go ahead and just do my entire face without speaking. I'll probably do a voiceover for it. Okay, enough of the Korean now. You guys, I've been learning Korean, Chinese, and French. So pardon me in case you ever hear me speaking a different language on my channel. Get used to it, baby. I'm gonna be using my foundation. This is my normal foundation. Actually, no. Maybelline came up with a new formula, which is the satin formula. It was the liquid dream mousse before, but now it's the satin mousse. So same thing, same. I don't see any difference, to be honest, and it's the same color range as well. So nothing much has changed. And this concealer is from Rimmel London, and it's the Stay Matte concealer. I absolutely love this concealer. I'm gonna link every single product I use in the description box below, so don't worry about it. I'm just highlighting every part of my face that I normally highlight. And this foundation routine or makeup routine in general is just perfect for the fall because you don't have the sun melting your skin. Like, it's just literally the perfect weather to wear makeup in the year in Canada. Okay, so I'm just gonna have to blend it. And honestly, when it comes to blending, especially now that you don't have the sun out, baby girl, please blend well because I have no words. Please blend your skin, okay? Now we're contouring. I'm using my liquid contour. Actually, it's a foundation, and it's actually the is it Rimmel London? No, it's L'Oreal foundation actually, but I'm gonna link it down below as well so you guys can check it out. I use it to contour my face, and then I go back again, and this is just to brighten under my eyes. I like when under my eyes look very bright, just so my eyes can look more cat-like. Catty? Cat. That's not really a word. Okay, fine. Going ahead to dust my skin with some setting powder, and now I'm going ahead with my contour shades from the James Charles palette, which is my absolute favorite palette. Honestly, since I started using this palette, I have not touched any of my other palettes. I'm so sorry, guys. I need to actually try out other palettes in my like makeup collection. Now I'm going ahead to just contour every part of my face that I need to contour, and doing all the rest of the highlight and blending in. And this part as well needs a lot of like blending because sometimes I tend to have lines across my nose or along my nose. I'm gonna do my eyeshadow, but first I want to wear my lashes. I've already worn this lash. I'm going to show you guys what I did. Now I'm going ahead to do a little bit of an eyeshadow. I don't really wear eyeshadow on a daily. I don't even wear makeup. Honestly, I don't wear makeup on a daily. Sorry guys, but I'm just using this eyeshadow. I'm going lightly in my crease area because I'm not doing anything serious. I mean, this is like a very simple fall makeup look, especially for those of you that don't really know how to do eyeshadow looks and stuff. This is perfect to actually blend your eyes and make your eyes look really like captivating, even though you've not done anything much. This always like gets it for me. Like, it always looks perfect. Look at that. It's literally perfect. All you need to do is learn how to wear lashes. Now I'm gonna use my... I'm gonna shut up now. Okay, so I literally just did the same thing to my other eye, and that's pretty much what I do on my face. No, actually I'm not done, so calm down. Hold on. I realized that in all my videos that have to do with makeup tutorials, I tend to like diverge and like talk about other things, but in this video I actually thought to talk about makeup, because it's been a while since I spoke about like what I'm actually doing on my face or on my skin. And this is pretty much the palette I'm working with today. And yes, I'm done with my face. Now I just like to go ahead. See, normally I don't highlight my face, but then I just went with one eyeshadow in my James Charles palette and used it on my skin basically, and I'm always talking. So now it's time for my lips, and honestly I don't do much on my lips. I love the very nude lip vibe, and I'm just kind of overlining my lip just a little bit on top. That's the only time I overline my lips. And then I go ahead with just a random lip stain. It's not really a lip stain, it's like kind of like a liquid lipstick. And then I use my Zamo Cosmetics lipstick. The other lip stain I showed you guys was from NYX. This one is from Zamo Cosmetics in the UK. I absolutely love the lipsticks, especially this Mirage is like my favorite. It's already finished, like you can see I'm literally having to scrape the container, but yeah, that's what I use for my bottom lip. And then I just used some lip gloss that I got from my local beauty supply store. I don't really stress that much when it comes to lip gloss because yeah, you can get it from any store basically. I just like the really thick ones that are very droopy. That's my style. So okay, now I'm actually spending so much time rubbing lip gloss. I don't know why. But keep watching. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for supporting me. Thank you for 88k. We're almost on 90. Oh my gosh, we're almost on 90k. I literally wanted to see almost on 90k. I was like, wait, we're almost on 90k? Bruv. Okay, I'm gonna be posting more often for you guys because I really appreciate you guys. Okay, now this setting spray I'm using is actually from Walmart. It's the hard and candy one, and honestly I like it, but it does have these residues that are so annoying and they make your face look very ashy, so you might want to shake properly before you use it. And then for all my polka dots, I'm always, polka dotting my entire face and my ears, everywhere around my body. I just like to look like it's like a birthmark or something, but that's like my signature look. And that's pretty much all I do on my face on a folly basis. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll definitely see you. Today's shout out goes to Ding Ding. Also, don't forget to follow me on my social media platforms. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on your post notification bells. 사랑해. 안녕. I guess saya. Mwah.
Have you ever